¿Cómo se hace esto sin imagen? Sin imagen. Si esta cosa, imagen. Así. Si esta cosa, imagen. ¿Qué hace esto? Yo cruzo por cosito. Tengo una lista de 48 cosas, ¿cierto? ¿Y qué hago yo con la lista de entidades? Las tengo que transportar. ¿Cómo las transporto? Es uno de encendido y apagado. Es uno de encendido y apagado. ¿Cómo es eso de encendido y apagado? Las líneas de esta cosa. Quiero las posiciones. Las posiciones. Va a ser esto, de arriba hacia abajo. Va a hacer esto. ¿Cómo es esto? Esto es así. Esto es así. Eso es hacia arriba y hacia abajo. ¿Cómo es hacia arriba y hacia abajo? Esto hacia arriba y hacia abajo es algo así como que hace así. Como que se tiene el cuadrado partido en 6 por 8. 6 por 8. ¿Y yo qué hago con ese 6 por 8? Saco la data de si está encendido o apagado. Y luego de que saco esa data, digo encendido, paso por todos los cuadrados y digo encendido o apagado. Y me quedo con una lista de esas cosas, de encendido o apagado. Encendido o apagado. Is on or is off. If the thing is on, if the thing is on, if the thing is on, what I can do is I can define this same property but as points in the plane. I'm currently working on. And what is the point I'm trying to seek? What is the point I'm trying to seek? The way a property to differentiate. A way to differentiate this quality. And what is this quality based on? This quality is based on how what I need to do. I need to obtain the data of the pixels, but give me the code. The code are text. I need text. Look at this. I need a program that is based in this structure. You're going to read the image. You're going to give me a notebook, a list of things parsed in code around a concept where I can structure this meaning. And this concept is based what this concept is based around this idea. What is this idea? The key meaning of this concept
the current basic, the current element that we want to acquire with this project, with this structure of development, is something like this. And what is this? What is this? As this is something like I get a list of data of X and Y positions. By here I just get if the pixel is on or off. So what I can do is to access, is to define at the beginning, define at the start of the program the series, the list of parameters of the dots, of the possible ins and outs. Create the box. I want to create the box. And how the box is currently developing. The box is development when I do this. When I do this, what is this? I need to set the data. And if the data is on, if the data is on, if the pixel is colored, then you're going to draw. No, you're not going to touch the list. Okay, you're not going to touch the list, but rather you can touch the list when the pixel is off. You're going to set the values of the list to a number. That means that the thing is not draw. Okay, the thing is not draw. And how you can say that? Look at this. I need the pixels. I need the positions, the X and Y position from a zero to one perspective. From a zero to one perspective. No, I need to know. So zero. I got what I got. Let my mathematics don't fail. Por ejemplo, aquí no me está mostrando mis códigos. ¿Sí vio? Si yo quiero open, ¿es este? Sí, says what I got is that this folder. Well, I need to obtain. Okay, but what I can do here is to test the property, and the property is based on this thing. I know that each iteration is 0.004, and each iteration to the right is going to be 0.004 plus by the number of the x of the cell in the x, of the number of the cell in the x grid, because in the x axis, so it's x by x, and then 0.004 by g wax by vt. And what I do is to translate the thing that is going up and right into the thing that is going down and right. I need to assign between each other position between each other position. Between each other position, the property I'm trying to acquire. The property I'm trying to acquire. And what is this property? What is this property? This property is something like this. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This thing is wrong. But I want to know if the square behave the way I believe it behaves. And what I think is that this concept that is called whole alphabet is transporter. Can I know if this is transporter to its proper position? Can I know if the things is transporter to its proper position? Maybe I could know this, but right now I need to learn about this. What is this? This is something like this. This is something like this. This is something like this. What is this? What is this? What is this? This is something like this. ¿Qué es así? ¿Qué es así? ¿Qué eres tú?
What are you? Show me what you are. Show me, I want to know what you are.
You are an enemy. You are an element, but not like another element. Not like each other element in the array. This thing is something like this. It's something like an expression, like a way to define mentality, doesn't it? What is the way to define it? I need to know if the square, if translated to the position I believe it translated. In what position I believe the thing is translated. I believe that this position is going to be translated if I tell a thing to position equal, x and y position equal. And what is the x and y position? Can I use the basis of this thing? Yes, I can use the basis. I can use the basis of this thing. And I need you to go to the 0, 0 position. 0, 0 position. No, you need to go to the 0, 0 position. And then what you're going to do is to translate the position of the element to a new element, to a new thing. Yeah. What did they say? I need you to go to this place so I can know if you're transporting you to the place I believe you're going to be. And I believe that you're going to be like 3 squares, one between the other. Alright. No, look. The thing don't properly behave. Why this thing don't properly behave? Because this scale is not well defined, and how this thing is not well defined. I need to set this 0 to 0 and know what is the scale. The scale is something like this. is 0.04 divided by that number. I want that number. What is the number? Calculator, I invoke you. 0.04 divided by 1.77061661. Okay, that's the number. That's the number where each square is translated between each other. So if I tell the computer,
Hey, I got this number. Would you translate it to that position?
and I need that thing, but to so okay, I copy this 900. If I say this, what would happen? What will happen is that I will get this. Look, this square is properly defined. This square is properly defined. And if I want another, if I want another, what is the other? The other is up. Well, the square set. I want to validate that. And what I need to validate is where is this square? 1, 2, 3. No. Or yes. Or no. Or yes. Or no. Or yes. Or no. Or yes. Or no. If I say this number, the thing will travel to another position, don't you? Yes, you will travel to another position. Yeah, look, the thing behave differently. Okay, if you're behaving differently, how I can get this square? What is this square? What is this square? This square is the one that is this square is this square. If I say, hey, I want you to be at the 0, 0 position, at the 0, 0 position, and I want you to be multiply by 3. That's the number I want. So I can. So now I get 4 squares. Okay, I get 4 squares. What are those 4 squares? Those 4 squares means that the thing is properly behaving, because I know how the behavior is working, and the behavior is working as a rate of change that I describe in code. A number. I know how to change the number. And the number I want to change, the number I want to trace here, the number I want to trace right here. Voladores. What is the voladores? Voladores es que quiero el jueguito de las palabras. Quiero invocar palabras. Es que quiero que haga así. Quiero que lance jeroglíficos, que lance grifos, que lance invocaciones, hechizos. Así de, uy, te invoco, palabra desinvocada. Y animación. Eso es que es muy chimba. ¿Por qué no hay nadie haciendo eso? ¿Por qué no hay nadie haciendo eso? Eso era para que fuera mucho. ¿No le parece?
para que fuera a tope. ¿Quién está? ¿Qué es? A ver. Holy man. What the thing's done? What is the meaning of this battle?
Why, you're battling this man. This shot right there. What are you battle?
What is the meaning? What is this thing? Sí, ¿por qué no hay juegos de eso aparte? Ah, eso es lo que me faltó, perro. Eso era lo que me faltaba. Faltaba esa. Solamente imagínese usted desde, tirando desde maquinitas, de pequeñito esas máquinas. Ah, parce. Ah, parcerito, a ver si sale. Vamos a ver si sale. Entonces, I know that I can acquire the position of the plane, okay? The squares. And I want to set the list of data. I want to obtain the list of data. I want to differentiate the data. How I can differentiate the data? Because I got the points. I got the position of the plane, of the points in the plane. I got the position, man. I got the position. I just got the position. In the position, let me say, hey, I want you to draw me. And how I can do to draw the thing? To be able to draw the thing, I need to know if the thing is on or off. And how I know that the thing is on or off? How I know if the element is on or off? I know if the element, if the pixel is colored, but I want to obtain the X and Y data. The X and Y data that I want to modify to set to off. Look at this, to off. If I can say, hey, the data is off, I want to say if the data is off or on. And how I can say if the data is on or off. How I can say if the data is on or off. I need to write. I need a program that writes that thing. And this program would modify that list. Give me another. Okay. I need another Python program. Give me a Python program. This program will be what would you be? What would you be? You're going to be the element that allow me to change Python screen, word, grid, but just what is this thing? What is this thing going to be? This thing is going to grade to open. Is open? Yes, it's open. I want to open no, I want to write a thing. And this thing is going to be, I need to write, this thing is going to be called, what is the name of the file, of the txt, I need the data, and the data is going to be data to send. Yes, data to send, no, data to data what is this data? This data is data to name, data to read, punto txt, and this data is going to be a great data. And open the thing, and I close the thing. Okay, but what thing is going to be positioning? Look at this. I want to travel. No, I want the positions. I want the position of the grid, of the x and y position translated to a number, to a flat numbers. And how I can obtain those float numbers? How can I obtain those float numbers? I can obtain those float numbers Oye, sí, ¿dónde está la conferencia de jueguitos más cercana? Conferencia de juegos. Eso es lo que toca hacer una todos los días. Esa es la que toca estar creando todos los días. ¿Cierto que sí? Esa es la que toca estar formando todos los días. Y estar moviéndose ahí, en el testeo de esas cosas. Eso es lo que toca hacer. Toca testear esas vueltas. Pero es que no hay un juego que testear que sea tope. Si pilla, no lo hay. No lo hay. ¿Por qué? Porque se cree que eso es muy difícil de hacer. Se cree, eso es lo que yo percibo, que creen que es difícil. Creen que es difícil pintar estos juegos de forma, porque es que hay que pintar un juego, o sea, es que es un trabajo, parce, es un trabajo que toca mirar el tiempo. Y es que hay que enseñar, parce, hay que enseñar este curso. ¿Por qué digo que porque siento que esto es tan importante, hombre? ¿Por qué? Porque es que está la conferencia y es que estar montado en el jet. Yo quiero estar montado en el jet de país a país. De país a país en carritos muy firmes. ¿Sí me entiendes? O sea, hacer una flota bien establecida. Imagina todos, o sea, 2000 personas. O sea, como es uno en cada país, uno cada día, se sostiene todos los días uno y se busca que esté todo el tiempo produciéndose. Y como está esa vuelta en producción de... es que está muy chimba. Se siente que se puede ser verdad, ¿cierto? Se siente que puede hallar propiedad. Se siente que se puede hallar estructura. ¿Será? ¿Será que sí? ¿Se imagina pintar esa cosa? ¿Se imagina pintar ese boleo? ¿Se imagina? Se pinta este boleo, porque eso es, this is a lot of work, this means a lot of work, and what I can do with this work is something like this. What is this? What is this?
What is this? What is this? What is this element? What is this element? This element is nothing else but the grid position of the x and y axis. Es que es demostrar que eso sí se puede hacer, ¿cierto? Por eso es que estoy en esta. Porque mira, yo creo que sí se puede. Pero es el tiempo, parece. Es el tiempo de aprendizaje. Es haber construido el ecosistema que... caga. Bueno, XD. What I'm going to do right now is to translate the element to a position. And what is the position of this element? What is the position of this element? The position of this element is going to be the x and y position of the grid. I can travel the grid down to up. Yes, I can travel the grid down to up. And I'm going to how to integrate. Leer en chino, eso está muy chimba. Leer, I want to write. Es que parece, yo creo que es por ahí. I believe that is to that. For that, I believe that the element I want to synthesize is based around this concept. And this concept is what? This concept is what? This concept is what? What is this concept? I need to write. How I can. Quiero escribir la línea. Déjame escribir la línea. Right. But I want to write the line. Right. What? Right. A loop. Okay. A loop. If it's two loops, I will write two loops. Okay. Okay. I need the mathematical operation. Give me the mathematical operation. You get the data and then you upload the data to the TXT so you can parse it and manipulate in order to acquire the meaning you want to define. And so how I'm going to position the squares through the grid. How I can define the expression. How I position the element. Then copy it. No, add it. I get two constants. Constant x. Constant y. Constant y. I get those two. I get those. I get these two positions, and those two positions are going to be 0, 0, a number. The y position is 4, but the x position is 0 by 4 divided by 1.7061. Those are the two constants that I want to use. Those are the constants that I want to use. Those are the constants I want to use. And what I want to do with these constants is to position it, is to position the elements position the elements position the elements, how I can position the elements. How I can position. I added, but how I added to position X and position Y. All you started at 0, and I get the data by adding 48 elements. 48, because 6 by 8, it's 48. So how I will add this thing? If the thing is modulo is thing is esto, just leave it at 1, 6, 12, at 6, at 12, at 18, at 24, at 30, at 36, and 42 and 48. If the thing is modulo 6 is equal to 0, if the thing is to 0, it means that the thing will translate its behavior. It means that the thing will translate its behavior. It means that the thing will translate its behavior to a new position. What is the position? What is the position of this thing? If the thing is modulo 6 equal to 0, if the thing's modulo 6 equal to 0, you're going to add to the x position, to the x position, to the position x. You're going to add, no, you're going to set it to 0, and in position to y plus constant y. That's what I want. I want the constant y position x equal to 0 and the position y translated one element, one position y, one element to the up, one element up, one element up, one element up. Okay. And what is this element up? This element up is nothing else but this thing. This thing is what? What is this thing? What are you thing? You're something like this. Sí, es que de tanto jugar usted crea una inteligencia artificial muy pólvora y esa es la que le soluciona a usted los temas alrededor de eso. ¿Sí me entiende? Porque usted tiene la idea es crear esa en juegos, porque es algo que usted, pero que sea de aprender, porque es que ese es el pierde, porque si usted está jugando no está aprendiendo, a menos que esté jugando un juego de aprender. ¿Cómo es ese? Bad, no. Synonyms of bad.
nothing is installed. However, still nothing for all that. I'll be saying, and instead of that, except excluding, I mean, shut up, okay, shut up. Not off.
Entonces, ¿qué tengo acá?
I added to the X position, to the Y position. I added to the Y position the element, the constant I define as Y. Because you're traveling up and right, okay? And what else? Up and right. Up and right. Alright. And if the thing is not modulo 6, then you're going to add position X plus position X plus constant X. Okay. And what we do here is that we are traveling the thing at the X and Y position. And how I will start the thing. I will start the thing in a list of elements. It's an empty list, but this thing is going to be populated by the X and Y position. This list of elements dot append dot list, because I need to create an object, a way to set the element to that position. So I'm going to create a list and populate it with the position X and position Y. Here, why here? Because here is in the middle. Here is the point that is stored here. I want this point being positioned here, and I want to modify this point after I set the first point. After I set the position of the first point. The first point is 0, 0. At the 0, 0. At the 0, 0. Then 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 8, 0, 12, 0, 16. And that's all. That's all I need. And what I will... Oh man. Es la fiestecita. I need to enable a party. I need to enable a party where the thing I want to experience achieve existence. There, or to deploy the concept. I'm trying to compose. And what is this concept? This concept is currently based on what? I write it to the thing, and if I travel, yes, can I read it? Can I read it? Yes, I can read it. I just need to say, hey, read it. For E in list of elements, I want this thing to be printed. Yes. And if I say, hey, would you Look, the list of points. There's a mistake. Here we find a mistake. And where is the mistake? The mistake is you're not updating the x-axis. No, yes, you're updating the x-axis. But you're not updating properly. Oh, this thing will start. Oh, if I say, I need to say this to this, because it will start at 1, because 1 element, 2 element, 3 element, 4 element, and okay, so if I rerun this file, I will get what I expect. When the element, the second element, the third element, then so x6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why are you writing 5? Why I need 6? I need 6 in the x-axis. I need 6 in the x-axis, and I need 6 in the x-axis, and I need 6 in the x-axis so I can tell a position. What is this position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need another one. It's modulo 7. I can build this thing by adding a counter. Why I'm not using a counter? A counter is not. If I'm counting thing, why I'm not using a counter? Why Andres? Why? If I'm counting things, why I'm not using a counter? Okay, if count is equal to 6, no, if the counter, because 0, okay, if the counter is in 0, you're going to that position, to that position. If the counter is equal to 6, yeah, the counter is equal to 6, because you're going to make that thing. And then you're going to set the counter to 0, count equals 0, and after the counter is set to 0, then you're going to, after the counter is set to 0, after the counter is set it to 0, after the counter is set to 0, you're going to access that thing, and after all, you're going to add to the counter 1. Okay, so I expect that you will give me what I believed you will give me. Yeah, give me 6 points. 6 points, it means 6 squares, and after 6 squares, okay, I got the data, and I need to write the data inside this file, and how I can parse this thing. There is a file called data to read is empty. So I need to write data. What data I need to write here? The data that is loaded. The data that is loaded as an expression of behavior. An expression of understanding. A way to sense emotion. Learning. The primary. Claro, es comenzar desde peladito. Si no comienza desde peladito, se jode. Está jodido el tiempo, maldita sea tiempo. Maldita sea. Qué rabia, gonorrea. Qué rabia, tengo mucha rabia. Estoy emputado. Ay. Qué rabia. Tengo una rabia que usted no se imagina. ¿Por qué? Porque era para que esta hora estuviera jugando la cosa más chimba que fuera capaz de pensar. Eso es ir al colegio. Que le digan a usted, juega, crea el jueguito, crea tu jueguito, créalo, y que sea como un mantra, perro, que sea, crea el juego, ¿por qué no estás jugando? Es que no hay más, ¿sí me entiendes? No hay más. There's no other thing. Y es tirar palabritas y tire que tire palabritas. And how these palabritas are going to be tra. These palabritas are going to be tra when I say that. When I say this. When I say that. When I say this. And what is this? Que es que yo nunca vi a nadie haciendo un juego chimba, ¿sí me entiende? O sea, lo más chimba que vi fue gente jugando juegos y hacerlos chimbos. El Minecraft, parce, el Minecraft es una cosa de eso, de cubitos. Es eso, es crear. Yo vi gente creando juegos muy chimbas ahí, o sea, metiéndole mucha presión, mucho tiempo a eso, metiéndole mucho contacto a eso, mucho contacto. Y en ese contacto le metían presión al contacto. Le metían presión a ese contacto. ¿Cierto? Juegos de construcción, juegos de construir cosas, juegos de construir personajes, de eso, le metían mucho ahí, le metían al juego, pero no a crearlo. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué nunca había alguien haciendo eso? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué nunca había alguien haciendo? Porque esa era mi misión y no me la puse. Si es que, qué idiota. Oye, sí, porque no hay nadie haciendo un juego chimbo, o sea, sí está el chino que tira el juego. Está el que programa el juego. ¿Quiénes son los que programan el juego? Es que en el hilo histórico no aparecía el que programaba jueguitos. En el hilo histórico no está el que programa el jueguito. Apareces como hasta hace 4 o 5 años. ¿Cierto que sí? En el hilo histórico no aparece en la línea donde yo la necesitaba. Y el que necesitaba me lo quitó y... perro. Bueno, entonces, es que es esa, está remetiendo estas cositas, esos detallitos de tiempo. Usted le invierte tiempo ahí. Que luego junto hace la evolución de la cosa que usted quiere. Claro, es que imagínese 10 años metiéndole a esto, parce. Al de las palabritas, al que usted hace la traducción. Mira, usted tira la traducción de su magia, del libro, tira usted el libro ahí, y que hayan juegos que le barajan esa expresión,
la suya, la biblioteca. Uy, es que me la estoy imaginando y es una chimba. Una chimba estar tirando palabritas tras palabrita. Word tras word behind word. Word behind word. After word. Through other word. And manipulate and access to approximate the element one. Entonces, ¿cómo es esta aproximación? Entonces, I want to write that data index. I want to write the data in this field, in this text. How I can write that data in this text? I write this data when I say, hey, write. I need you to write. I need you to write this thing. And what is this thing? The thing is the X element, the list of elements in the X, the first element, the element is a 4 for E in range 48. What is the data? The data is the data is the element, but at what the element at 0 plus a space and then after the space the same element and the A and 1. Yes, that's how I write. And then you're going to add a backlane.
I need you unboxed it. Unboxed the element.
And if I run this thing, if I say thing run, okay, I didn't tell you this yet. Okay, is the data uploaded? Let's see. The data is uploaded. I got the points. Okay, I got the points, and I got the points in this order, to bottom to up. And what I need to do next is to compile, es compilar. Pues, eso es compilar. Juntan el texto de gente.
Compilan. Máquina. What I need to do next, the question that I need to solve, the question I need to approach, is something based on this. I need to